Good morning, students. Now I am going to take English for you. So, this is revision paper number 2. In the last week, I had sent revision paper number 1. I think all of you have practiced in the rough note or in the classwork. Now, this is revision paper number 2. Okay, children? So, which paper? English revision paper number 2. Okay, children. So, I am reading the revisions. Listen carefully. First main, write the meanings. First one, require. Require means needed. N-E-E-D-D, needed. Second one, lark. A kind of bird. A K-I-N-D, kind. O-F of B-I-R-D, bird. Next, third one, plight. Plight means situation. S-I-T-U-A-T-I-O-N, situation. Fourth one, declare. Declare means say something. S-A-Y, say. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, something. Fifth one, filthy, dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Okay, children. Now once again I am going to read. First one, require, needed. Second one, lark, a kind of bird. Third one, plight, situation. Fourth one, declare, say something. Fifth one, filthy, dirty. Now second main, write the opposites. First one, forget, remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R, remember. Second one, man, oh man. W-O-M-A-N, oh man. Third one, friend, enemy. E-N-E-M-Y, enemy. Fourth one, morning, evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Fifth one, town, village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. Okay, children, so these are the opposites. Once again, I am going to read. First one, forget, remember. Second one, man, woman. Third one, friend, enemy. Fourth one, morning, evening. Fifth one, town, village. Now, third main, write the plurals. First one, self, selves. S-E-L-V-E-S, selves. Second one, tooth, teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Third one, ship, ships. S-H-I-P-S, ships. Fourth one, mango, mangoes. M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Fifth one, wife, wives. W-I-V-E-S, wives. Next, fourth main, write the feminine gender. First one, governor, matron. M-A-T-R-O-N, matron. Second one, dog, bitch. B-I-T-C-H, bitch. Third one, daddy, mummy. M-U-M-M-Y, mummy. Fourth one, father, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Fifth one, brother, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Okay, children. So these are the feminine genders. Once again, I am going to repeat. First one, governor, matron. M-A-T-R-O-N, matron. Dog, bitch. B-I-T-C-H, bitch. Daddy, mummy. M-U-M-M-Y, mummy. Father, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Brother, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Okay, children. Now next main, write the rhyming words. First one, along, song. S-O-N-G, song. Second one, still, hill. H-I-L-L, ill. Third one, wept, slept. S-L-E-P-T, slept. Fourth one, night, fight. F-I-G-H-T, fight. Fifth one, wide, side. S-I-D-E, side. Okay, children. So these are the rhyming words. First one, along, sound. Second one, still, hill. Third one, wept, slept. Fourth one, night, fight. Fifth one, wide, side. Okay, children. Now next main, rearrange the words to make meaningful sentence. So here the words are mixed. You must write correctly the sentence. Okay, children. First one, Shimla is than hotter Bombay. So the correct sentence is Shimla is hotter than Bombay. Okay, children. The spellings will be in the question only. You can see and write easily. So once again I am repeating that one. Shimla is hotter than Bombay. Second one, India, which the is river of longest. So the correct sentence is, which is the longest river of India. So after writing this sentence, so you must put question mark because it is a question. So in the last you must put question mark for that one. Which is the longest river of India? Question mark. Okay, children. Now next third one. Mohan than is taller Ram. So answer correct sentence is Ram is taller than Mohan. Okay, children. Ram is taller than Mohan. Next, seventh main, fill in the blanks. First one, the dash flowers kept peeping. So what you must write in the dash, children? You must write Jasmine. 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 Second one, Raman received Nobel Prize in dash. So in the dash you must write 1930. So that is 1930. 1930. Third one, dash was very clever. So in the dash you must write Ramu. R-A-M-U. Ramu. Next fourth one, the earth wears dash dress. So in the dash you must write green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. So the earth wears green dress. Okay, children. So in the dash you must write green. Next, fifth one, dash came out of the house. So in the dash you must write Bola. B-H-O-L-A. Bola. So what you must write in the dash, children? You must write Bola. B-H-O-L-A. Bola. Okay, children. So these are the fill in the blanks. Once again, I am going to repeat. The jasmine flowers kept peeping. Second one, Raman received Nobel Prize in 1930. Third one, Ramu was very clever. Fourth one, the earth wears green dress. Fifth one, Bola came out of the house. Now next main, write sentence of your own. So own sentence you must write. First one, nearby. So the sentence is, there is a garden nearby my house. T-H-E-R-E there. I-S is A-G-A-R-D-E-N garden. NEA or near, BY by, MY my, HOUSE house. There is a garden near by my house. Second one, borrow. My friend borrowed a pen with me. M by my, F for IEND friend, BORROWED borrowed, A PEN pen, WITH with ME me. My friend borrowed a pen with me. Next one, luggage. So for luggage the sentence is passengers carry their luggage in railway station. PASSANGERS passengers. CARRY carry. THEIR their. LUGGAGE luggage. in. RAILWAY railway. STATION station. Passengers carry their luggage in railway station. Next main, ninth main, complete the poem. The poem name is The Foolish Fish. So this poem is in your textbook also. So if you can't understand, you can see textbook also and read. So now I am going to read the poem. Dear mother, said a little fish, is that a worm I see? I am very hungry and I wish you would get the worm for me. Worm means ula. Okay children. So with spellings now I am going to read. DEAR dear, MOTHE mother, SAID sad, ALITTLE little, FISH fish. ISE is THAT dirt, WRM worm, ISEC. I apostrophe M, VERY very, HUNGRY hungry, AND WISH wish. YOU apostrophe D. You would G to get TH the WO or M worm, FO or for me. Okay children, so this is the poem. Once again I am going to read. Dear mother, said a little fish, is that a worm I see? I am very hungry and I wish you would get the worm for me. Okay children, so only 4 lines are given, so you practice in the rough note. Okay children, this poem neatly. Now next main, 10th main, write the other 2 degrees of comparison. So in the question, positive degree I will give, you must write comparative and superlative degrees. First one, fat. So fat will be the question. So you must write 2 degrees, that is comparative and superlative. So for fat, comparative is fatter and superlative is fattest. FAT fat, FATTEO fatter, FATTEST fattest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Second one, pretty, prettier, prettiest. PRETTIER, prettier, PRETTIEST, prettiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Now third one, good, better, best. GOD good, BETTER better, BEST best. Next one, slow, slower, slowest. SLOW slow, that will be the question. Answer is SLOWER slower, SLOWEST slowest. So once again I am going to repeat. Fat, fatter, fattest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Good, better, best. Slow, slower, slowest. Next one, tall, taller, tallest. T-A-L-L, tall, T-A-L-L-E-R, taller, T-A-L-L-E-S-T, tallest. Okay, children. So these are the comparative, superlative and positive degrees. Now next main, 11th main, answer the following. First one, according to the poet, who are prudent? So the answer is sailors are prudent. S-A-I-L-O-R-S. Sailors, P-R-U-D-E-N-T, prudent. Sailors are prudent. Second one, who was the most notorious child? Answer, Bhola was the most notorious child. B-H-O-L-A, Bhola. W-I-S was, T-H-E the, M-O-S-T most, N-O-T-O-R-I-O-U-S, notorious, C-H-I-L-D, child. Bhola was the most notorious child. Next, third one. What does the duck say? Answer. The duck says quack, quack. T-H the D-U-C-K, duck. S-A-Y-S says Q-U-A-C-K, quack. Q-U-A-C-K, quack. Next, fourth one. What kind of person was Somu? Answer. Somu was a foolish person. S-O-M-U, Somu. W-A-S was M-F-O-O-L-I-S-H, foolish. P-E-R-S-O-N, person. So these are the question answers. Once again I am going to read. First one, according to the poet, who are prudent? Answer, sailors are prudent. Second one, who was the most notorious child? Answer, Bhola was the most notorious child. Third one, what does the duck say? Answer, the duck says quack, quack. Fourth one, what kind of person was Somu? Answer, Somu was a foolish person. Okay, children. So these are the revisions of English, that is revision paper 2. Okay, children. Any doubt, children? I think you could understood this revision. So please, children, you practice in the rough note 3 or 4 times. Okay, children. So this is revision for exam. Okay, children. Thank you.